Next, topic number 10, subtraction of vectors. Vectors can be added and subtracted also. Suppose there are two vectors p bar, q bar, and angle between them is theta. Their magnitudes are p and q. We can construct a parallelogram. Then the diagonal, another diagonal of the parallelogram, one diagonal represent resultant. This is resultant r bar. Another diagonal represent subtraction of vectors. So s bar is equal to p bar minus q bar. Okay, magnitude of subtraction of two vectors s is equal to root of p square plus q square minus 2pq cos theta. And if p and q are equal in magnitude, then we have one more formula, s is equal to 2p sin theta by 2. In case of addition, 2p cos theta by 2. In subtraction, 2p sin theta by 2. So these are two formulas we can utilize in vector subtraction. Where we use vector subtraction? We use vector subtraction in many cases: change in velocity, relative velocity, change in momentum, etc. We can see one problem. A car is moving towards east with a velocity 10 meter per second, suddenly turns to north. First initially moving east, turns to north and moving with the same speed. Turns to north and moving with the same speed. Calculate change in velocity. Change in velocity. So change in velocity is a subtraction of two vectors. So change in velocity, delta v bar is equal to final velocity vector minus initial velocity vector. And the car is moving east, then turn to north. So vi is 10 meter per second. V final also 10 meter per second. Subtraction is nothing but addition with reverse direction. That means Vf bar plus minus of Vi bar. That is subtraction meaning. So final 10 meter per second north plus this one you have to reverse because minus Vi. This is Vi. So 10 meter per second west. It is reversed means west. Now again addition we got. So one is north, one is west. 10 and 10 magnitude, angle between them 90. So we can use the formula 2v sin theta, in addition 2v cos theta by 2. 2v cos theta by 2. Then 2 into 10 into cos 90 by 2. Ante cos 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2 cancelled, 10 root 2 meter per second. Direction, this is north, this is west. So northwest direction. That is a change in velocity in magnitude and direction. Change in velocity vector in magnitude, direction also we got 10 root 2 meter per second northwest. So this is one example. And another one, only if you want magnitude. A particle is moving in circular path. So speed is constant in circle. Velocity changes time to time. It is completed 1/4 of the circle. That means this is initial position and this is final position and final velocity. Magnitude is same, but velocity along the tangent. So it is completed 90 degrees. So change in velocity, magnitude 2v sin theta by 2. So that is 2v sin 90 by 2. Sin 90 by 2 means sin 45. 2v sin 45 1 by root 2. So root 2v. This is magnitude of change in velocity. Similarly, we can use subtraction of vectors in a relative velocity case also. Suppose velocity of A is 50 km per hour east. Velocity of B 50 km per hour south. Calculate velocity of A with respect to B. That means V of AB bar is required. That is nothing but VA bar minus VB bar. So if you want only magnitude, so one is east, one is south. Angle between them 90 degrees. So you use the formula root of V1 square plus V2 square, because cos 90 sin 0 minus V2 V1 V2 cos 90 formula, this is 0. So root of VA and VB, let us take them as VA and VB. So 50 square plus 50 square, that is 50 root 2 kilometer per hour. This is magnitude, subtraction of vectors magnitude. If you want direction also means this is another way. So velocity of AB is equal to VA bar minus VB bar. VA 50 kilometer per hour east minus 50 kilometer per hour south. So subtraction of two vectors is nothing but addition with reverse direction. So VA bar plus, that means 50 kilometer per hour east plus 50 kilometer per hour south become north. So now 50 kilometer per hour east, 50 kilometer per hour north is there. So construct a parallelogram. So east to north. So construct a parallelogram. Addition means, plus means addition. Take the resultant. We get 50 root 2. Direction, this is north, this is east. So northeast direction. This one we are getting. So that is a relative velocity. Velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to B. So that is northeast direction. Magnitude is 50 root 2. So these are about subtraction of vectors used in physics. Okay.